used by A-10 pilots in order to avoid enemy detection while entering a target area. At altitudes as low as 100 feet, the A-10 can take advantage of terrain masking to delay enemy radar and weapons acquisition. From behind and to your left, Major Thorpe will climb at the last minute to visually acquire the target, then roll in for a simulated strafe pass using the Hog Driver's weapon of choice, the Gawain Avenger 30mm Gatling gun, firing bullets the size of Coke bottles at nearly 70 rounds per second. The A-10's 30mm rounds deliver 7 times the destructive energy of the more conventional 20mm round. Hog 2-3, you are cleared hot. It will now take Major Thorpe less than 30 seconds to get back into firing position for a second strafe attack. With 2 Hog pilots working together, enemy forces could expect to be under A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds. Major Thorpe is now repositioning for his final attack, where he will simulate dropping 500-pound Mark 82 general-purpose bombs. These general-purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hog's arsenal of weapons. Major Thorpe is now performing a kick-out maneuver. This continuously changing 3D maneuver makes life very difficult for enemy anti-aircraft gunners. The A-10 was built to withstand significant battle damage, having the capability to fly on a single engine and a total loss of hydraulic power. The Warthog has a well-earned reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation earned in Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq, where A-10s destroyed numerous enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, Scud missiles, and was credited with 2 air-to-air kills. Today, the upgraded A-10C, armed with state-of-the-art targeting pods, satellite communication, and data link, continues to set the standard for supporting Allied forces in today's fight. Now from your right, Major Thorpe and a 4-point goal displaying the crisp handling characteristics of the A-10. Ladies and gentlemen, Major Thorpe